Okay, so I'm doing a little bit of UI stuff just really quickly. Um, I saw that there's a little things like with this being such a big form. I knew that I could use the speech to text aspect in on my MacBook. And so I thought, oh, if someone wanted to know how long they have, I could just put a progress meter. But now it's blocking some things. And even though it's using that great design, I need to make it so that if I press it, it shrinks down. So that's what I'm going to work on right now. And so you can see it right now over here. It's called the completion meter. So that's the name of the component. So, so I'm going to go ahead and keep that up there. And then I want it so that when I click this button to get it out of the way, it collapses left of the screen, the percent visible, and a bar around the percent outlining the circle. The bar, kind of saying the bar should correspond with the completion percentage with the completion percentage so that the user can easily tell how many questions they have not answered. Okay. So okay. When they Okay, I think that's good enough. I don't think I need to go any further on that. I think that'll be fine. We just really needed to kind of update this so that it can be viewed in a way that makes sense. And so let's do it. Let's see what happens. Um, okay. And I think it's updating in here as I go. Is it keeping the timestamp of edited? Oh yeah, cool, cool, cool. Awesome. Okay, let's see what we got. Hopefully, hopefully, yep, got it. Boom. I don't like how it's like that, but I think it can go ahead and it's not the cleanest animation, but when someone sees it, they'll get a good idea of what we're up to. Okay, cool. And it says I filled out 68%. So this is just a good UI. We're going to go ahead and deploy this so that I can start messing with. I need to look at the developer console as I'm going through and clicking things because we don't know how far we've gotten with hyperbrowser and scraping the journalist stuff. So now we actually are about to see where we're at because the application should be done. Obviously, there's going to be bugs. Nah, never that. Like this should be working right now. But I don't see. The meter. Where's the meter at? Uh, okay, I can't see the preview in the window. Oh, let's just say I can't see anything in the preview. Show me what I'm looking at, my friend. Okay, pitch list. Can't see pitch list. Okay. So, alright, my computer's moving now really slow. Okay. Did it not finish up here? Okay, seems fine. Let's go ahead and fix that. Yeah, this use state endpoint is killing me. It's everywhere. It's usually the biggest issue that I have, and this just rewrote the entire thing. So that means diffs are not on. But when I stopped my vibe sprint, I turned diffs on. So I don't know why it just rewrote all that. It should not have. On. So that I don't burn a bunch of tokens for no reason. Okay, diffs are on. Okay. Wow. No journalists found. Pitch list. Okay. If I click that, click that. Jeez. Okay, now everything's broken. Man. Oh, man. Wow. That's not great. I'm not going to lie. And it's attacking the wrong thing. I'll create an artifact to fix a duplicate key error in the pitch list functionality. That's not what the problem is. The problem is that it didn't save it to my pitch list. Jeez, what are you doing now? Man, the waiting part is kind of uncanny. That's why I was just doing something where I had two instances of Bolt up on one computer, three instances of Bolt on another computer, and it was swiping back and forth. So when something inevitably hit an error, I could just hop into another project using on Bolt. And that was great because I didn't have to sit still for when it does this part. Right? It's like trying to fix something that was already, geez, or it's trying to fix something that didn't really, that shouldn't have been broken. You should have fixed a bunch of stuff. And I wish it had self-correcting code because like right now I should be able to see my preview, and inside Bolt there should be something that says, hey, the preview is not showing up. Let's go ahead and fix this without burning tokens. If I just did this, why is my application, oh, there it is. Geez, that took a while. Okay, not showing up in the preview window. Let's try and log in. All right, go to pitch list. Okay, dude's there. His star is there. Pitch list here. Okay, let's go ahead. If a journalist is on a pitch list, then the star should already be illuminated when a user clicks the illuminated star. Then the star is removed and the journalist is removed from that user's pitch list. So essentially what we're trying to do all right, here goes nothing. Let's go ahead and do that real quick. Let's go ahead and do this because we're about to click that message icon, and when we click that message icon, that's when things get a little crazy. Because I'm pretty sure, oh, shoot. Implement this plan. That's so nice. I wonder how much we pay for that new fun function. Okay. All right, let's do this. Nope, I don't need an explanation. I just need to work, my friend. All right, let's do this. Does that shrink? Still shrinks. Good. Pitch. Okay, what's wrong? Why'd that not work? Okay, that didn't work. If a journalist is on the pitch list of a user, then the star on that journalist's card should be illuminated. Okay, let's go back up here. page of a user. Let's go here. When a star clicks on the star on the pitch list page, then the star is removed and just this list page. Okay, let's try this again. Good night. It's like talking to a very intelligent. I've heard someone say it's like talking to a very intelligent 10-year-old and trying to get them to do stuff. It can be very, very not fun. Oh, it was trying to say the star icon or the trash icon. Well, then remove the trash icon, bro. The star should have been filled. This is how slow my computer is right now. Alright, here we are. Pitch list. Let's go. Send it. That didn't work. Alright, let's deploy this. Alright, let's do this. I'm not loving how this is going so far. Okay, when the user clicks on the pitch list page, all right. When the user clicks on the budget page, nothing happens. Page is just white. On the Netlify app, on the deployed app. Jeez Louise, guys, come on. Just build the thing I'm asking for. Alright, deploy. Wow. Let's go. Waste of time. Alright. Come on. This is so hard because I'm basically I need to finish this. Because I'll finish this and then it'll deploy where it actually shows up, which would be great. And then when it does do that and it actually shows up, then I can test out the automated pitch creation. And the automatic pitch creation is... Okay, this is taking forever. Alright, well, I guess I'm going to end the video. So, we realized that there's nothing happening because when we open up the developer console and click the button, nothing happens there in the developer console. So if you ever want to know if your front end is working at all, especially working with your back end, you can click the messenger icon, nothing's going to happen. So we are going to ask Claude how to get it to work. So this essentially says, how do I get the front end and make it so that when a user clicks the message icon on the pitch list page, choose the activation to activate the pitch generator. Here's the code for the pitch list and the pitches pages. Let's just pitches page. Okay. So we're essentially going to take, I think, this doc and I think we're gonna use this doc. This doc. And then we'll use this one, which is the pitch list. Okay, I guess we're just gonna hope and pray. Like I said, my computer's running at slow motion right now. I really need a new laptop so badly. Okay, looking for your code. Already have a message icon. Where is the message icon located called in my code base? One that's in the journalist cards on the pitch list page. Oh, it's a send icon. Name things that make sense. Actually, it's called the send icon, and it should be in there. Come on, computer, you can do it. Okay, cool. Okay. What pitch card? I don't, no, they don't get to regenerate a pitch. Hopefully it's good enough. Okay, so this is pitch list TSX. And this Hopefully that's right. And this is pitches TSX. Wow, that's not. How's that right? Wait, hold on. Why did you make... Okay. I need you to rewrite the complete pitches, TSX, and the pitch list TSX files. I knew there was something wrong. It gave me just a snippet of code. So I needed to kind of go back and write the whole thing. Shoot, I already saved this one, didn't I? Is this the same file? So it says 145. Okay, yeah, it is. Cool. Okay, here we go. Let's do this. Pitches. I'm just going to save that blindly. Would not recommend it. Would not recommend it. My very, very slow computer. I am so sorry. I know I'm pushing you. I know I'm pushing you. I just really need this project to be done. Pitch list. Pitch list. And then that was saved too, right? Okay. Done. Done. Okay. To complete the implementation, you also need to create an API implementation. You can add this. Where? Explain more information. Where do I add this? Front end or back end? So that says pages, API, pitches, generate, front end. Okay. But I don't think I have something named that, right? Do I? Oh, my computer's so slow. Every time I click between tabs, it makes my head hurt. Okay, pages, API, pitches. Okay. Pages. Okay, I currently don't have that file. So Okay. So I guess I have to now, hold on, let's deploy this. And then I think I have to now open this in StackBlitz, I guess. Because I got to add pages. And I don't know how to do that. But it's saying I need to do this. Oh, how do I know if I'm using Next.js? Oh my gosh. Okay, let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go. Okay. Okay, open your package JSON, look for. Okay, but I don't need that. You already answered my question. If it's pages directory. Too many words, my friend. Too many words. Wait. Why is it replacing the routers? Shoot. That just did something. I don't know what it did, but it did something. That's not good. Because this is just telling me that it's Next.js. Again, my computer's so slow that I can't flip back and forth to make sure. So, crap. That wasn't good. It changed something that it should not have changed. Okay, I'm just gonna add all of this, okay? I'm just gonna add everything that it said and just see if it can make something out of that because now it's starting to break. Okay, we're using Vite, not Next.js. Okay, so you were wrong. It's not if it has pages. We're using Vite. Let me stop this dude. Because I could just rewrite it in Vite. It's already gone. Shoot. Can I roll this back? I'm going to roll this back. I'm going to roll all this back. And this. And that. Yeah, I'm rolling all that back. I don't need that. And I'm running out of time. I don't have time to do that. It's already taking 2 to 3 seconds every time I switch tabs. Jeez, man. This is crazy. Ignore. Alright, I guess I'm stopping the video. Jeez. Okay, here we go. files needed. Here is the railway backend URL. What a disaster. It's not really a disaster. It's just I don't know what I'm doing and it's so annoying because I do not like learning curves. And this whole thing is a freaking learning curve. It's a huge one with a slow computer. Fast internet, super slow computer. I wish it had just told me like, hey, based on everything that you've written, like in the stuff that you copied and pasted both like two files from your front end. From that information, I know that it is React or Vite or whatever. Because I didn't even know what I was looking for. I mean, you saw me ask the question: is this the front end or the back end? Because I don't know. And it's also on me to learn more about how code works. So here's pitches. Also on me to take out a loan or something and get a faster computer, because that is number one for some of the stuff, the procrastination I do when building these types of things, because I know my computers are not going to be able to handle it. And I know it's going to be frustrating. Okay. Yeah, let's ignore that. I'm not ready for you yet. I'm not ready for you to do anything yet. Last time you took the lead on something, jumped out the window. Didn't need you to do it. Okay, that's pitch list. Alright. Alright, here you go. Alright, here we go. See what we can do here. Alright. Here we go. Slow as possible. Alright, pause the video.